Marcus are going to go to Hy-Vee later. We're going to walk there. So yeah, that's what's going on today. And then I'm also going to bake a recipe that I haven't tried yet. It's a blueberry lemon bread with like a lemon glaze. I don't know. I'm going to try it. It seems really good, so I'll let you know how that goes. But yeah, it's like 10 o'clock right now, so I thought I would update you on what's going on today. Ooh, my bed looks so cute right now. It looks so comfy. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm done. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay guys, so me and Marcus are walking to Hy-Vee right now. Well, I'm not with Marcus yet. I'm gonna meet her up there in a sec. I don't know if I'll vlog at Hy-Vee, but yeah, she's probably just getting Starbucks and I'm getting a mango, so exciting. But yeah, I'll update you guys when I get home. But I just thought I would tell you what we're doing. It's like 1 o'clock right now, and when I get back home, I'm gonna bake my bread. So yeah, that's what's going on. Okay guys, so I just got back from Hy-Vee and I got a mango. It's in the fridge. And I also got a strawberry donut. Now I'm gonna save this for tomorrow morning, but I'm just gonna try a bite because I love strawberry donut holes. And so they never have strawberry donuts available, so I'm gonna see if it's good. So let's try it. Not too bad, not amazing. It's just pretty good, but I'll eat it tomorrow, so yeah. So right now, that was so random. Right now, I'm making my blueberry lemon bread. And yeah, oh gosh, so I just dropped you. So yeah, I'll update you guys later. This is just a minute and 20 seconds of me eating a donut and not knowing what I'm saying, so I'm gonna end this clip now, but I'll talk to you guys later. Okay guys, I've made quite a mess making this bread, and I've had some struggles too, like my coconut oil like solidified when I was in the middle of making this. It was a mess. But here's my bread before I put it in. If I haven't mentioned what type of bread it is yet, it's blueberry lemon bread. It looked really good online with a lemon glaze. So yeah, that goes in there for about 50 to 60 minutes. And so yeah, I'll check on it when it's done and I'll let you guys know if it worked or not. Okay guys, so I just got back from eating out for dinner. It was super good. So it's like 6:45 right now. My bread is out of the oven. I'll show it to you either later or in tomorrow's vlog. But yeah, it was super good. And yeah, that's all I have to say about that. I'll probably put the link in the description below. I might forget, but hopefully I'll put it in the link below so you guys can make it too. And yeah, I'm gonna just watch some YouTube, and I'm gonna watch Mamma Mia. Not the second one, just the first one, because I haven't seen this first one yet, because I'm seeing the second one tomorrow. That's so confusing, but I'm gonna watch Mamma Mia tonight on Netflix. So yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be good or not, but that's what I'm doing. So yeah, talk to you tonight. Okay guys, so it's late now. It's like 10:30 and I watched Mamma Mia. It was so good. It's such a great movie. So yeah, recommend. Tomorrow I'm seeing Mamma Mia too. I'm pretty sure I already said this. I don't know why I'm saying this again. But yeah, good movie. And I'm gonna go to bed soon. I'm gonna read for a little bit and then I'm gonna fall asleep. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning and yeah, bye.